Tensions in the skies over the Middle East have escalated once again. A modern Shahed-129 military drone, developed by Iran, was shot down by the U.S. Navy, marking a significant event in the ongoing regional military standoff. This incident has added a new layer of strain to U.S.-Iran relations. Small airplane Shahed-129, Iran's powerful drone. The Shahed-129 is a medium-altitude long-endurance male UAV designed for both surveillance and strike missions. It represents a significant advancement in Iran's domestic stopwatch endurance, up to 24 hours of continuous flight. Satellite dish operational range, around 1,700 kilometers. Bomb payload, can carry precision-guided missiles and smart bombs. Advanced electro-optical and infrared sensors. Bullseye capable of targeting ground positions with precision. Iran has often promoted the Shahed-129 as a symbol of national technological achievement, with multiple reports of its deployment in conflict zones. According to U.S. Navy sources, the Shahed-129 was flying dangerously close to U.S. forces and allied positions in the region. Considered a threat to personnel and assets, the drone was engaged and neutralized to prevent potential attacks. A U.S. defense official stated, "Our forces are trained and ready to respond immediately to any aerial threat." United States position. Washington emphasized that the drone exhibited provocative behavior. Similar drones have previously monitored U.S. forces. The action was purely for force protection, not aggression. The U.S. Navy clarified that the engagement was a defensive measure, ensuring safety in international airspace. Iran condemned the incident, claiming the drone was on a routine surveillance mission. The U.S. action constitutes a violation of international law. Washington is deliberately escalating tensions. Tehran also hinted at a proportional response, raising concerns over potential further confrontations. Drone warfare in the Middle East is becoming more intense. U.S.-Iran conflicts are increasingly technology-driven. Even a single drone incident can trigger wider regional instability. Modern drones are no longer just surveillance tools, they have become silent but powerful weapons of war. This event demonstrates how seriously the U.S. treats air superiority and force protection. Iran's notable advancements in drone technology. The future of warfare may rely heavily on unmanned aerial vehicles versus advanced air defense systems.